Hey guys, welcome back to another video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a Doordash account in Australia, guys. It's a very straightforward process, and it's going to allow you to start earning as a delivery driver. So here's how you do this step by step. So first things first, guys. Of course, you need to create an account. So you're going to go to the Doordash Dasher sign up page, okay? Not the normal Doordash page. You want to go to the Doordash Dasher sign up page. There's a completely different website. And then what you can also do is, if you don't want to go to, if you don't have a PC, maybe you can just download the Dasher app from the App Store or Google Play, and it just tap on sign up. Then, guys, of course, you want to enter your basic information, right? Provide your name, provide your email address, your phone number, and a secure password. And you want to select Australia as your location to ensure that the process is tailored to your region. And then, guys, basically what they're going to be doing, they're going to be asking you to choose your vehicle type. So DoorDash in Australia allows dashing with a car. It allows dashing with a scooter, a bike, or even on foot on some areas. So you're going to select the vehicle you actually use for deliveries. And then, guys, you have to upload the required documents. So you want to upload a clear photo of your driver's license if you're using a vehicle. You want to provide proof of insurance if that's applicable. You want to submit a valid ID if you're delivering, by bike or on foot as well. And then, guys, of course, they're going to require you to complete a background check. So, DoorDash actually requires all the dashers to pass a background check for safety. And you need to fill in your consent form with your personal details, including your address and a date of birth. And the background check, guys, usually takes 3 to 5 days. So you have to be a little bit patient on that. And then, guys, after that, after you do that, you need to set up a direct deposit. So you need to basically enter your banking details, to receive your weekly payments. And you'll need your bank account number and BSB code, which can be found in your online banking app. And then, guys, once your background check is actually approved, DoorDash will send you an activation kit containing, a hot bag and your red card for order payments. And then, guys, just activate your account by following the instructions that is included in the kit. And then, guys, after that, you just go ahead and log into the Dasher app, go online, and you can just start accepting delivery requests. It's literally that easy and simple. And if you follow these steps, guys, you'll be ready to start earning in no time. So I hope this video helped you guys. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on that bell notification. I can see you guys in the next video.